Morning, children. Are you ready to do an activity? Months of the year activity.
Months of the year. I am January, the first month. I am February, the second month. I am March, the third month. I am April, fourth month. I am May, the fifth month. I am June, the sixth month. I am July, the seventh month. I am August, the 8th month. I am September, the 9th month. I am October, the 10th month. I am November, the 11th month. I am December, last month of the year.